Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Visa gift card on Shein. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using a Visa gift card here inside Shein, well, the first thing you need to know here is a Visa gift card works like any kind of card. So if it's a gift card that someone gave to you or you bought it online, well, you could just use this as a regular card. So how do you get started? So in this case, go ahead and open up the Shein app here and log into your account and start adding items into your card. Now, once you've added enough items, you want to go and access your cart. Let's go and click on our cart at the bottom section here. And you want to go and select all the items that you want to basically check out. So once you've added, check the items here. You can go and check out with coupons or check out at the bottom section. Once you've done that, you should be able to see a bunch of details like your address, your contact details. So go ahead and enter that. But what's important here is going to be the payment method section. Now in here, as you can see, there are multiple options. And as you can see, there's no option here that says Visa gift card. Now, like what I said before, a Visa gift card works like any other, like any kind of card out there. So in this case, just choose the credit or debit card option. In this case, you want to go to the very bottom here, and you want to go ahead and choose the option that says place order. Now, on the next page, it will ask you to provide the necessary details. So in this case, just provide your card number, the expiry date on that card, and the CVV at the back. So in this case, once you provide all the details here, you should be able to start using your card. Now, you can go ahead and click on the place order at the very bottom of the screen, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.